Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of how to make the most of your Moodle editor using Generico with your Google Docs. So here we are. This is in reply. Notice there's nothing here. There's no editor, so I need to go into advanced. Let me go into advanced. This is Moodle 5. Okay, next I am going to maximize it. Notice reveal or hide additional toolbars in this case. And there is Generico. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Generico, go into Google Edit, and then add my web quest. This is just to have something there so that it could be linked to that, my web quest task. And then I'm going to add the Google Drive doc. There we go. And then I'm going to insert. That easy. And notice this is what it looks like, but don't get scared. Let me post to forum so that you can actually see it. And then you can open it. Notice by clicking here, you'll get the doc. Isn't that amazing? Now, this wasn't my doc, but that's not the point. The point is that it makes it easier to access. We can simply open and close, and that's what it's about. Ease, the ease of use, and Generico provides you with the ease of actually viewing the Google Doc right here in the course, in the message area, and that's super important. Let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and use Generico on Moodle.